Hi there, thank you for clicking on the link. I'm Evan Lang, I'm the president of the Denison Gaming Guild. We meet here at the Burton D. Morgan Center every Saturday for board game nights. Additionally, if you are interested in playing a tabletop RPG, whether you're new to the game or you've played it for years, we're the perfect way to get a game going.
Hey there, Angie here. I'm the coordinator of small events, and to add on to that, we also have video game nights that happen every Wednesday, same building, and we also run social games every Saturday.
Hey guys, I'm Ariel, I'm our PR chair. I just wanted to say that we're all on exec board because Guild has proven to be one of the best communities on campus that we could be a part of. It's really accepting and inclusive. We are a sober event, and you can always find out more about the organization, our COVID-19 plan, more information about getting involved in our RPGs, social game signups, get the link to our Discord. If you go to our Instagram bio, and if you have any questions, feel free to DM us or reach out to our email. But hope to see you at Guild.